Airport Station. This is my favorite station in the world. Here's the airport, Logan.
Airport, doors open on the right.
The tenants are down.
All right, so when are you leaving?
I did 15th of September.
Okay.
So I'll be at the airport at 1 a.m. I'll be in the airport the 14th.
All right. Well, have a safe travel. I will see you, of course, before then.
All right, thank you, sir. Do you subscribe?
Huh?
Do you subscribe to my channel?
Yeah.
All right.
Check it out.
Choo choo.
I got you.
See ya. Let's go. There's the Wonderland train. Thanks for watching.